Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we learned how to read a CSV file in Databricks. Today, we are diving into some data analysis using that file. So let's get started. First, we will explore how to use aggregate function like sum and count in Apache Spark using Python. Our first task is to extract the total number of sales order received. To get total sales order received, we will be using a helper library of Pyspark SQL function. First we'll import that Pyspark SQL functions as f. Now to get total order number received, we can do df out equal to df dot aggregate f dot sum of order quantity dot alias total orders, and we can display df out. After running this, here you can see the total sales order received from our database. Next, if we want to analyze this by date, we can add a date dimension into our data frame. This will allow us to view total sales order by date. To do this, we can do df dot group by order date. If we now run this, as you can see, we now have total sales displayed by date. To further refine our result, we can use an order by clause to sort this data by date, either in ascending or descending order. To do this, we can use order by order date ascending equal to true. Here, the sales are now ordered by date in ascending order. Similarly, if we want to see total sales by year, month or week, we can adjust the dimensions accordingly. For year, f dot year order date, comma, for month, f dot month order date, and we can alias them so that we have a clean name. Year for year, month for month. And as we have removed order date from our query group by clause, in that case we have to remove this order by clause. And if we run this now, now you can see the total sales by month and year. If we want to analyze sales by weekly basis, we can change the dimension, or we can add dimension to reflect that as well. To do this, we can add one more dimension here, f dot week of the year order date, comma, alias week. Here are the sales now given by year, month and order. Now let's say we only want to see sales for the first quarter of 2023 broken down by week. To achieve this, we can apply a where clause to filter our data. To apply a where clause, we can use df.where order date between 2023 January 1st and 2013 March 31st. Now we will run this. Now you can see we have total sales by week for the first quarter of 2023. Alright, now you have a solid understanding of how to use aggregate function in Pyspark. We will continue this lesson in our next session. Until then, goodbye.